For this question, we have a product of two functions, and for each product, we're going to need the chain rule to find their derivatives. So let's see how it goes. So dy dx, the derivative, is equal to, so we have a product. We want to do the derivative of the first factor. To do the derivative of that, the 5 will come to the front. We ignore the 3x plus 2 to the power of 4. And then we multiply by the derivative of 3x plus 2. So 3x plus 2 is written there. And inside here, I could write 3x plus 2 prime and then do the derivative on the next step, but let's just do the derivative right now. The derivative of 3x plus 2 is just 3. So remember, we're doing the product rule. We've just completed the derivative of the first factor, but now product rule says we have to multiply by the second factor left alone. And then plus, now we leave the first factor alone. And then we multiply by the derivative of the second factor. So the 4 comes to the front. We ignore the thing inside the brackets. The power goes down by 1 to a 3. And then we multiply by the derivative of the thing we ignored, which is going to be 3x squared plus 1 plus 0. All right, so the derivative is done. Now, why don't we try to factor it? Notice we have a 3x plus 2 here and here. We always want to pull out the power that's the smallest to the front. So 3x plus 2 to the 4 goes there. And we also have another common factor, the x cubed plus x plus 5. Pull out the smallest power. We got a power 3 there and a power 4 there, so let's pull out the power of 3. And let's see what's left over. Well, we have a 5 and a 3 here, so 5 times 3, 15. We'll just multiply those out right away. The 3x plus 2 to the 4 has already been pulled out, so that's completely gone. But we do have a copy, one copy of x cubed plus x plus 5 left over. Because this is power 3, this is power 1, right? So if we were to multiply it back, we would get back to power 4. Plus, let's see what we have here. We have a 4. We have this 3x squared plus 1. Let's put that out front. And this x cubed plus x plus 5 cubed has been completely pulled out, so we don't have to write nothing for that. And 3x plus 2 to the 5, that's there's going to be one copy left over because we've already pulled out 4 copies of it. So 3x plus 2. All right, so it's looking good. Not too much we can do, nothing we can really do here. But inside the square brackets, we could clean that up a little bit. Why don't I switch back to normal brackets? Let's multiply that 15 across. So 15x cubed plus 15x plus 75. Now what do we have here? 3 times 3, 9x cubed times 4 would be 36x cubed. We have 6x squared times 4 would be 24x squared. We have 3x times 4 would be 12x. And then 2 times 1 is 2, times 4 though is 8. All right. I hope I didn't make a mistake there. And let's just finish it off by cleaning this up. We have a 15 and a 36x squared. Is that, how much is that? 51. X cubed. We have a 24x squared. So that gets rid of that, that. And that would be 27x. And then 75 plus 8. 83. So a little bit of a mess, but it's all factored now. And that's our final answer.